Hello everyone. This video basically tells you that how we can capture a video for practical subjects like for maths, physics, chemistry, explain some numericals. So here I'm taking an example to make you clear a maths topic, polynomial. I've already written some content which is theoretical part and some thing over there. In mathematics, a polynomial is an expression consisting of variables and coefficient. For example, x square minus 4x plus 7. Now we are discussing about types of polynomial on the basis of a degree. First of all, before taking this topic, I think we should be very clear about what a degree is. So degree of a polynomial is the highest of the degree of polynomial. For example, highest is basically exponent or power. For example, 5x square plus 2x, here the degree is 2. 3x raised to power 4 plus 2x cube plus 7, here the degree is 4. X square plus x upon x, here the degree is 2. It's wrong over here because before going for any degree we first need to simplify this. So when we simplify this, so I'll get degree is 1. So I'm taking this green color sketch pen or the multiple colors we can use to explain our content and to write. First make sure that you have some written content also, because otherwise if you write each and every part in the video, then it will take long time to create even a short video or to explain a small topic. So here with the help of the ready-made content or handwritten contents, we are able to explain the more content even in less time. Like here we are explaining types of polynomial on the basis of terms, that how many terms are there. We know that it's a monomial which having only one term. For example, x, 2x cube, 2, 4y square. You can see in all the polynomials we have only one term, so we can call it as a monomials. Binomial for two terms, here we are having two terms over here. Trinomial, by the name we can understand, tri, that is three terms. So here in the examples we are having 3 terms. So this way we can capture our video for practical subjects. Now I'll show you that how I'm capturing this, how I can adjust my mobile on the top view. I'll show you the setup which I make it out. I'll just remove my mobile from here and show you that how I'm creating. I've just taken 2 bottles over here and a scale at the top, and I'm just placing my this way so that the paper would be clearly visible. So this way we can capture, or we can adjust, or you can adjust any other way to adjust your mobile. This is my way. I think that this is the easiest and simple way, because everybody will have the bottle and everything. So you can adjust in any other way. The main idea is to focus our camera over the paper, but make sure that paper would have the already content so that it will take less time to explain the things. So thank you so much. So